I thought I'd share a quick overview of the new RIDGID Spindle belt sander that I just got from Home Depot. It was $129 at the one I went to, $139 at some others, so you have to kind of look around. But you can see it's pretty solidly built. This is their second model that they sell. The earlier model that came out before this one is $100+ more, has less power, the dust port is smaller, and I don't think it has some of the other features this has. So this is quite easy to put together and use, as you'll see here in a minute. It's got onboard storage for everything. Okay, I'm going to do a quick demo of sanding with it, using the belt sander first. And you can adjust the table for chamfering if you want to put a chamfered edge on something. And this was real quick without really working hard to make it uniform, but you can see it's pretty easy to use and gets a good result. I'm going to go ahead and let me clean it, and then I'm going to change it over to the spindle sander. So you just move the work support out of the way. Remove the belt. I'm not going to put the belt on the onboard storage because I don't want to take time to walk around the back, but you can see it easily fits on the back of it. And then I'll put on a 3/4 inch disc. Let's try sanding. You can see it's pretty quick. It's a pretty light grit. I'm guessing it's about 180, 200, somewhere around there. But it's still got plenty of power. Turn it off. And that's it. This machine replaced both a spindle sander and a belt sander that I had, freeing up space in the shop and giving me a little more utility.